Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up some Pretzel Pub Pulled Pork Sammies. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. Whoo! So we're going to be using some Jim Beam pellets. Oh, something new? Oh, hell yeah. Let's get that. It's a little bit of smoke. Pellet smoke is light. Very light, so easy to do. And we're cooking the color. We're going to wrap it in foil. We're going to dump a little more Guinness in there. Not too much. And we're cooking this fat cap up. Score the hell out of that fat cap. Get those rubs in there. Let it set. And sit back and grab a nice cold one. So this pulled pork, we're going to be spritzing with Guinness. Oh hell yeah, Guinness Stout. We're going to use that up. I got some leftovers from St. Patty's Day, so let's use it. And we're hitting it with some Cosmos. Oh hell yeah, the SPG and the Dirty Bird. We're using no binders.
Give me a hell yeah!
Let that set for about a half an hour. We're putting it into the Pit Boss pellet smoker at 300 for about 2 hours. We're gonna bump that up to 350. We're cooking this hot and fast. Oh hell yeah, we ain't got time to sit around all day. It's still early spring, so daylight will go down early. We need to get pulled pork sandwiches. Hell yeah. We're gonna pop on some gloves and pull out that pork butt. She's looking real good. We're about 5 hours in at 350. We did the first 2 hours actually at 300. And then we're gonna pull this, wrap it. While we're wrapping it, we're bumping the temp up to 400. And we're gonna spritz it down again with that Guinness Stout. Oh hell yeah. And we're popping in some cornbread. Spritz it down with a little more of that Guinness, boys and girls. Oh hell yeah. Check that out. Now you get a perfect pour pan. Pour anything you want in there. We're doing Guinness, but do you?
I said give me a hell yeah!
And we're gonna bump that up to 400, popping it back in for about another 2 hours. Then we're gonna pull it out, open it, let it cool down a little bit so it stops to cook, and then let it rest for about a half hour. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna get a meat probe in that so we know where we're at, because now you can't see. Let me dig up a Pit Boss probe. And avoid hitting that bone, otherwise it'll throw your cook all off if you're based on temp. This pub style pulled pork is done. We're pulling it out and we're putting the pretzel buns in. The only way, gotta toast up these buns. Oh hell yeah. This pork butt, we're gonna open it up, stop the cook. Oh, hell yeah. Here it goes. Oh. Hell yeah. This pork butt has been sitting for a half hour after we stopped to cook. We're gonna tear into it. We're gonna make some Pretzel Pub Pulled Pork sandwiches. Oh, hell yeah. Damn straight. 6 hours. Boom. Oh, the smell is amazing. We've been sitting a half hour. Damn. Let's dig into this. Grab a pretzel bun. Put a little bit of this mustard barbecue sauce on it. Give a taste test. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, come on. I mean, this is the first couple chunks I've pulled off. Amazing. Check that out. Juicy as all hell. Damn. Phenomenal. It's so juicy.
Give me a hell yeah!
Biggie Smalls even made a song about it. Oh, hell yeah, juicy. Let's shred this up. Pull a little bit of this fat off. See, you have the luxury of doing that. When you cook a fat cap up, you can pull most of that off after the cook and keep it right in its own juices. Especially this pretzel pub gimmick I'm eating. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking. Oh. Oh.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Pretzel Pub Pulled Pork. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking. That's like the best pulled pork I've ever had. Easy, too. Go make yourself one of these. Damn straight awesome.
I said give me a hell